In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Blogger, your connection is not secure. If you've ever seen that warning on your blog, it can feel a bit concerning, especially for your visitors. The good news is that this issue is usually caused by something called mixed content, and it's actually quite simple to fix once you know where to look. To begin, go ahead and sign into your Blogger dashboard. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side and select the Theme section. This area contains the structure and design of your block. From there, click on the option that allows you to edit the HTML. This will open up the code editor where your blog's theme is written. It might look a little complex at first glance, but don't worry, because we're only making a small adjustment. Now, while you're inside the code editor, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard at the same time. This will bring up a search bar within the page. In that search box, type in http:// and press Enter. What this does is highlight any parts of your theme that are still loading content through an unsecured connection. Carefully go through each result that appears. Whenever you see a link that starts with http:// change it to https://. This tells your blog to load those resources securely, which is exactly what modern browsers expect. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how your site is perceived and protected. As you make these edits, take your time and be cautious. Only modify the link itself and avoid changing anything else in the code. Even a small mistake outside of the link could affect how your blog looks or functions. It's always a good idea to double-check your changes before moving forward. Once you've updated all the necessary links, click the Save button to apply your changes. After that, open your blog in a new browser tab and refresh the page. In most cases, the warning should disappear and you'll notice a padlock icon in the address bar, showing that your site is now secure. And that's all there is to it. If the issue still appears, you may need to review other areas like posts or widgets, but this method resolves the problem most of the time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.